Hello children, in this video let's see how to draw different color lipsticks. Are you ready? Let's begin. First let us draw the lipstick. This is the first lipstick. Now I am drawing the second one. Let's draw the third one. And finally the fourth one. Now let's give it some designs. This is a flower and a heart shape. Now I'm going to use these colors and color them. First, let me take the pink color. This is a pink color lipstick. This is dark green color. Next color is yellow color. You can also try this along with me, children. This is a red color. This is a red color lipstick. This is yellow color. And let's give orange color for the base. This is pink color. Next will be dark blue color. Next color is pink color. Great. Now let's color the fourth lipstick. This is baby pink color. Light blue color. And finally light green color. Awesome! The lipsticks are ready. If you all like the video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.